Welcome to the December 2022 update video. This is only going to be a little short one. There's not too much to talk about, but I wanted to make a little video rounding up the last year very quickly, and then talking about some things that are happening this month, and then in the following year as well. So in terms of this year, it's been a very interesting year. It's been a very cool year, especially for the channel. A lot of videos went into the recommendeds, which is really cool. A lot of the people probably watching this video will be very new. Or at the very least, we've got a lot of new people on the channel kind of watching stuff, which is really cool. I completed my master's degree this year. I got a distinction in the end, which is amazing. Super happy about that. Totally worth literally spending all of my savings on, because I am starting a new job in January. Yeah, new year, new job, new life, new all this, that and the other. I'm starting a new job in January. So, that kind of feeds in to something I'm going to talk about a little bit later. But yeah, everything's kind of coming out roses at the moment, which is really cool. So in terms of the things I wanted to talk about, this month, the feedback survey for 2022 is now open and accepting responses. I put it out a few days ago on the community post in the Discord server, but not everyone is on the Discord server and not everyone sees the community post. So I thought I'd make a video mentioning about it. This is a really good opportunity for you to make anonymous feedback about the channel. There's a lot of questions in there. It should only take about 10 or 15 minutes. It's nowhere near as long as it was last year. But, there are a lot of questions in there that are aimed to kind of, give me an idea of, who you are, what you want, and how you interact with the channel, kind of where you want the channel to go, certain decisions like that as well, and also just leave some general feedback. So there is the last question is always just if you have any further comments, leave them there. So feel free to leave any feedback you want. I take it all on. It's just a really good opportunity to steer the channel, or to help steer the channel in the way you want it to go. So if you want to fill that out, you have until New Year's Day. So you have some time. You can do it when you have time or feel you want to. But yeah, on New Year's Day it will close. The link is in the description below, so make sure to check that out. It would be really helpful if you did fill it in, especially as I've got a lot of new people on the channel, as I said. A lot of them have already filled it in, which is really nice. Thank you to everyone that's done it so far. But yeah, it'd be really useful for me if you were to fill it out. Just take a little bit of time, because yeah, it will just help me work out what you want a lot better. Second thing I want to talk about is timetabling for the new year. So I've been trying over the last few months to do 2 videos a week. That's going to go down to 1 video a week. Though actually, before I talk about that, I do want to talk a little bit about the 3 weeks that I missed. I am sorry about that. I did have a few comments about that. All kind of job interviews and a lot of job hunting all just came all at once. So it was very busy, very hectic. Didn't really have the energy to sit down and make videos for a lot of that. So I'm sorry about that. But I am back now, and it will be 1 a week going forward. That's kind of the maximum you should be able to expect. Some weeks may have 2 videos. It kind of depends. The actual day that videos go up is up for debate. Currently it's Monday, and it will stay Monday until the feedback survey is complete. But that is one of the questions on the survey itself. Currently, the favoured day is Saturday. So if you like that day and want to support that and put that on there, or if you have any other day and you want to try and make your voice heard, then obviously fill in that. But yeah, there will be 1 video a week, unless there is a video that particularly needs to go up. Some videos may not be available on Saturday. So if Python, if Python 3.12 comes out on a Wednesday, then there'll be a video on a Wednesday about it, and there probably won't be a video that Saturday. But you get what I mean. It'll be 1 a week, probably most of the time, and I should be able to come up with a good work YouTube balance that satisfies both parties equally. So yeah, that's actually everything I wanted to talk about. As I said, not too much there. Just want to spend the rest of the video thanking everyone that's watched a video of mine in the last year, that's supporting me monetarily or wherever, either on YouTube membership or on the Patreon or through the super thanks or anything like that. It's really appreciated. If you didn't support me monetarily, then I still really appreciate even your views and your subscriptions mean the world to me. So thank you everyone that's taken the time to participate with this channel in any way whatsoever. And I wish you all a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate at all. And I will see you for the rest of the month, and I will also see you in the new year for some more videos.